I came across this post by Vikas where pigs, goats and ducks were given to flood-affected families in Assam. And first I want to be fair. His intention is to help families who lost their livelihoods in the floods. They absolutely deserve help. And yes, livestock replacement is recognized as one form of livelihood recovery after disasters. But there is something here that I cannot ignore. Vikas also presents himself as somebody who cares about animals, and I'm not saying that care is fake. I would like to ask something simpler. Where does that care stop? Because if a dog is deliberately hurt, most of us immediately recognize a victim. And from what I have known, this person has many times filed complaint on dog cruelty. So we see the dog as an individual. But here, pigs, goats and ducks suddenly become livelihood assets. In fact, look at the caption. It literally says, distribution of pork, goat and duck. A living pig is not pork. Pork is the flesh of a pig after the animal has been killed. And that language itself tells us how deeply conditioned we are. One animal is somebody, another animal is already a product. So when these animals become old, unproductive or no longer profitable, what happens to them? They can be sold, bred or slaughtered because their economic value comes from what humans can extract from them. And this is where my disagreement begins. And I'm sure every animal lover understands this and is what they are asking him to understand. If a family needs livelihood support, why can't we explore money, equipment, seeds, tools, training or another source of income? I'm not blaming a flood-affected villager who's trying to survive. I'm questioning those of us who have the privilege of designing the help. If you would never rebuild someone's livelihood by handing them dogs to eventually sell or slaughter, why does the logic become acceptable when the animal is a pig or a goat? I don't want to decide whether Vikas is an animal lover. I want us to examine what we mean when we use that word. Because loving animals cannot simply mean loving the species we have culturally decided are companions. If compassion disappears when the species changes, then perhaps what we love is not animals. Perhaps we love categories. And at the same time, flood issues has been happening in Assam every single year. If the next year the same situation happens, what solution are we looking for? What solution are we creating? And at the same time, if something like this happens again the next year, what happens to these people again and what happens to these animals again? So creating the solution is not repeating the mistakes again. That's all I want to tell you. If you have anything productive to tell me besides this, please come forward and tell us where we are going wrong.